Good morning, all of you. I am Suman Sharma, your social science teacher. Welcome to the new session. So let's see, for 8th class, these are the 3 books. This is the cover page of NCERT. History, as you know, it's the events of the past. Civics deals with the rights and duties of the citizen. And geography, physical features of the earth, its minerals, resources. So let's start with geography. First chapter, resources. Class 8, Geography, Chapter 1, Resources. Let's see the main contents of the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to read about what is resource, how the substance became a resource, major types of resource, natural, human-made resource, human resource, classification based on the various criteria, conservation of resource, sustainable development, their principles, and illustrations, and after that there will be a conclusion. So let's start the chapter. Let's see what is resource. NCERT always starts with a story. Here the 2 children, Mona and Raju, helping Amma to clean their houses. In their houses, what they got when they are cleaning with your mother? They got clothes, utensils, food grains, bottle of honey, books. The children asked Mama, what are these? Mama said, these are resources. The child asked, Mama, what is resource? Why you are telling all this stuff a resource? Mama said, anything that can be used to satisfy a need is resource. Anything which satisfy your needs and it has a usability. Even this pen, it has a usability. You used to write it. This notebook is a usability. You used to write it. You use NCERT books and other books for reading. This also satisfy your needs. Even I am a teacher and I am teaching you. So you need me. I am also your resource. So you got it? So the exact definition of the resource according to human perspective, a natural resource, anything obtained from the environment to satisfy need and wants that are known as resource. So what are the 2 main factors that change the substance into resource? They are time and the technology are the 2 main factors that change substance into a resource. You know, a lot of discoveries are there. From water there is a hydroelectricity. Nowadays there is aeroplane, buses, trains. These all are discoveries. So time and technology are 2 important factors that can change the substance into resource. Both are related to the needs of the people. People themselves are most important. It is their ideas, knowledge, invention, discoveries that led to the creation of resources. You know, the discovery of fire led to the practice of cooking and other processes, while the invention of the wheel ultimately resulted in the development. So the technology to create the hydroelectricity has turned energy in fast-flowing water into an important resource. Let's see the classification of the resources in this chapter. Natural resource. Resources are classified into natural resource, human-made resource, and human resource. So what are the natural resources? From the name itself very clear, from the nature it has been taken directly. Resources drawn from the nature and used without modification is called natural resources, like air, water. Many of the resources are free gift of nature and can be used directly. From wind we make wind energy. Technology may not be needed to use a natural resource in the best possible way.